Welcome to Elite Data. This video is about refrigerator brands from different countries. Hitachi from Japan, Whirlpool from the United States, Voltas from India, Vestel from Turkey, Bosch from Germany, Candy from Italy, Ginzu from China, Kelvinator from the United States, Walton from Bangladesh, Belay from Spain, Samsung from South Korea, General Electric from the United States, LEC Refrigeration from the United Kingdom, Electrolux from Sweden, Liebherr from Germany, Dawlance from Pakistan, LG from South Korea, Philips from the Netherlands, Midea from China, Godrej from India, Amica from Poland, Hisense from China, Daewoo from South Korea, Fagor from Spain, Panasonic from Japan, Polytron from Indonesia, Hanabishi from the Philippines, Gorenje from Slovenia, Fisher & Paykel from New Zealand, Beko from Turkey, Vestfrost from Denmark, Defy from South Africa, Frigidaire from the United States, BPL from Italy, Pizzos from Greece, Sharp from Japan, Hyundai from South Korea, Electra from Israel, Onida from India, Miele from Germany. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more information.